Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be unboxing Charm Box by Daily Charme. Alright, let's get right into it. Oh, it's so pretty. I like the crinkle paper. Okay, let's just put this to the side. And let me just zoom in a little bit more. There we go. Okay, so this is the card that came in this month box. Look how pretty these designs are. Oh, I want to try to recreate this one. It's so pretty. So it basically tells you everything that comes in the box. You get a gel polish, the sunstone, you get rhinestones, you get a micro pen, the aurora glass beads, mystery charm mix. You get studs, you get glitter, stickers, and paper. And I'll get a couple of sure. Alright, let's move that to the side. Let's get to the goodies. First thing first, look at this variation of little rhinestones and nail art embellishment. Next we get this little flat back pearls. These are so pretty. I like the colors. These you can use them on any designs for now for spring and summer. Next we get this little 3 different sizes of beads. These remind me of a candy I used to eat back in the days when I was a little girl. I do not remember what it's called, but these are what they look like. Fun stuff for now for spring. And this is the Aurora little flakes. It's up. Oops, yep. So basically this is what they are, the little flakes to create a Aurora effect. Let's close this back up before I end up making a mess and spilling it all over the floor. Next, we get this little, hey, these are like little hair clips, right? Oh yeah, I remember these clips from back in the day. This is so cute. I am gonna use them either on myself or on my niece. You also get this rhinestone flat back, different colors. You have blue, you have some pink and some greens and some a little yellow. These are flat back, so these are perfect. Okay, these are some embellishment. Not to use this, so you can see what it looks like inside. Okay, we have is that a snowflake? Yep, that is a snowflake. Oh, these are so pretty. These we can use for like the Sailor Moon designs that they have going on right now. Look how pretty these are. And this one, not sure what it's supposed to say. Yeah, no idea. Not sure what it's supposed to say, but these are so pretty. I like these a lot. So many stuff you can recreate. Hold that to the side. Then you have this little butterfly. They're very pretty. And what I like about these is that you can kind of like mold them a little bit to mold it into your nails. So you don't have to like necessarily do no crazy encapsulation with the velvet gel and stuff like that. So you can kind of like mold them and like round them up a little bit so it will fit the curve of your nails. Next we have these little charms. We have different shades. We have some flowers, some hearts, some balls, some moons. Yeah, these are very pretty. I like the color. Next we have some stickers. Oh goodness gracious, these are so pretty. Look how pretty the stickers are. Look how pretty. The next one, I'm gonna have to take this one out of the pot because they're a little bit nice. And it's perfect because I'm wearing black gloves, so I'll be able to see. Look how pretty these are. This almost look like airbrush in a sense, a little bit, or like if it was done with soft brushes, like nail art. That's very pretty. I like this one so much. Next we have more embellishment, more charms. These look like gummy bears almost. Like, look at the size of these. They're very pretty though. I mean, I have a small nail bed, so how are we gonna do this? If you hear noise in the background, that's my cat going bananas over there. Let's not mind them. Next, I have, is this supposed to be like a dry flower? Yes. Supposed to be a dry flower. Very pretty. The petals are very pretty. I really like this aqua. Next, we get the gel polish. This one is Twinkle Flash Gel Polish. Lucky Sunstone. That's the number. Right there. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, wow. I actually was looking for a color like this, so this is perfect. Look how pretty this is. And I don't know if you can tell, but look at the the gold specks in there. Very pretty. Perfect. That's exactly one of the polishes that I was looking for. And that color is apricot chiffon. M03. Look like this might be a cara. No, this is a solid color. It's very pretty though. Look at it. Look at the consistency. That's what I like about Daily Charme polish. The formulation is like so creamy. This one seems to be a little bit, I don't know if you can see, seems to be a little bit stringy. So I hope it's not gonna cause issues with the self-leveling. Next we have some glitter. Oh wow, this glitter is very pretty. Oh wow, look at the holographic on this glitter. This is supposed to be called, I mean it's supposed to be cherry blossom. Very pretty. Next we have another glitter. This is like white. So this is a Dreamy Fairy Dust, which is very pretty. It has like a blue shimmer to it. Next, we have this micro pen. Let's open this. Let's see what this is about. Okay. Struggling here opening this thing, so that means I will pack the package really well. Alright. Okay. Supposed to press. So I'll come down. Am I doing something wrong? There we go. So it's supposed to be. Oh, this is so nice. Like you can actually use this for like if you're trying to paint on a nail. Oh, this is so nice. I gotta go back and see if they have any more different colors. I like this. This is supposed to be like, it's picking up yellow, but it's more like a gold type of yellow. I like this, pretty. Next we have a ceramic file. I love this file, especially for my natural nails when I had to file on the free edge. These are very gentle on your nails, so you're not really doing anything really rough, and you kind of keep your nails, like, you know, very healthy, in a sense that you're not really filing like a maniac. Next is a cuticle pusher. You can never have too many of these. Oh, I like this. I like the point of this. It's not necessarily flat, so it's curved, so it's good to really get in there, like dig everything from under your nails. Then you have your regular flat bag that you can use to push, and that's it. That's all I received. So let's see the side. So again, I received all this awesome and fun stuff that I cannot wait to play around with. The clip, this brings me back so many memories from my childhood. The Aurora, the beads. Yeah. If I had to say 10 out of 10, one of my favorite boxes so far. I really like all the variation and stuff. I'm into like colorful stuff, so I'm always going to be gravitating towards like spring nail art mostly. And the February one was pretty, really pretty as well. So this is everything that you get, and oops, not bad at all. Oh, I almost forgot something. And you got this little charms, and this charm right here is calling me. It's calling me on. So that's it, guys. So this is everything that I got in my Daily Charm box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and like it. Please subscribe. I have a few more videos coming up your way, and I hope you stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.